Morning guys! I'm really excited about today's video because I've been waiting for the perfect day to show you my crimping iron trick. It's a just simple little quick thing that you can do to make your hair look bigger but without getting all the 80s crimps scalp to ends. So what I've done is I've not shampooed or done anything to my hair for a really long time, like days and days. This is actually curled with a 1-inch barrel curling iron about 3 days ago, and I just keep brushing it out. That's a good way to get kind of that pin-up girl wave. But so today, to refreshen everything, I'm going to use my crimper to bump my roots and give them a lot of poof. I'm going to keep this side slimy for you and just show you very quickly how I do this. Just going to take a little slice of hair. See that? And I'm using a pretty light hairspray. It's Therapy. It adds a lot of shine, not a real stiff hold. That's all I'm going to do. I'm just going to take some slices up my head, just like that, except for I'm going to leave that very top section out. Oh, listen to that burn. That's what Olaplex is for. That is why I'm going to do an Olaplex treatment later, which I'm going to have to give you guys a little class on that too. These irons also come in bigger widths, which is what we all used in the 80s, and then they also have ones that are probably about, let me get that burnt hair off of there, that are about 1/2 inch that are really great for this. Mine I can't find, so I'm using my mid-size one. But you can see once I unclamp that top or unclip that top, I'm getting a little more poof to under there. So let's just keep going with a couple more for you. And I'm going to leave the bang section out. You can see it's getting wider. I don't know, my hair is pretty stinking greasy dirty. It may not work very well today, but if I step away, you can see this side's kind of been a little bumped, refreshed. This side's still greasy, slimy. So, flat iron trick, and it just gives a cool texture. I love the way it looks, sometimes peeking through with the curls. Give us a kind of a cool, rough, modern, just to do a little bit, integrated with the curls. Let's do some down here. Yeah, that's a good way you can do it. Hide them all underneath for texture, or then just even pull just a few down. A little more rock and roll over here where we've got Susie Slimy, Rock and Robbie. I don't know. I just wanted to show you guys that. It's a cool tool. All right, have a good day. See ya.